This is an excerpt from my recent Next Best Thing open house. Enjoy! Now, speed stamping. Okay, hold on. Let me get myself set up. So this is something new, but I want to show you that you can make a card. Now, I'm not cutting the paper. The paper's already cut. But I want to show you that you can make a card in less than 10 minutes. So what I want you to do is, I'm going to pull my stuff and get it all ready. When I say go, I want you to time me. So let's see how quickly I can get this done. Because some of you, I know, you don't think that you can make a card. And it's going to be a pretty card, I promise. You don't think that you can make a card in that amount of time. Okay, I lost my Stampin' Pierce mat. It's here somewhere. Well, that one's really ugly. Well, we'll pull it in. Ugly works. Okay, so what I'm using, let me put you down here. What I'm using is the banner year. So talking about stamps that you can get all kinds of value out of. This stamp set you can get a ton of value out of. There are so many different things in here. It is not just Halloween. It's not just fall or Christmas. There's a lot of different uses for it. So there's lots of reasons for me to like it. It goes with that banner punch, which is here. Okay, so here's that banner punch. And then, but it has solid images, and I like using solid images. Now, if you use solid images, you do need to have some different colors of ink. It works a lot better if you have different colors of ink. And so, but I love all the sayings. Happy Thanksgiving, happy fall, y'all, with a grateful heart. So there's 3 just for the fall season. Guess who loves you? You're sweet. That's for XOXO. That's for Valentine's Day or just, a birthday. There's all kinds of ways that you can use this set. So I'm going to make a really quick card. Now I have to remember what I'm doing here. So I did not score my paper. Let me score it. Well, I'm not, normally I would score this, right? So you know that. Okay, so am I ready to start? Wait, I got to think what I'm doing here. Let me open my stamp pads because I know you're going to be vicious. You're going to say, no, that took you way too long. That took you 15 minutes. Okay, let me get my papers ready. Now, I'm hoping that this is going to turn out. I haven't done this before. We said Julie. Yes, Julie is the winner. Okay, so let me pull everything in. I think we are ready to go. Yes. Okay, so go ahead and start the clock. So I'm just going to stamp my little pumpkin down here in the bottom. And then, so I'm using, I need garden green. See? Oh, look at that. I took precious seconds away. Okay, and there's the little top for the pumpkin. So he's going to go on top of him like this. So this is 2-step stamping. Now I'm not cleaning. And then I have the Happy Fall Ya All in, what is that? Early Espresso. Okay, so that's fairly straight. So I could be done like that. Just put that on my paper. Okay, and how much time is that? Well, no, let me fold this here. Glue, 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 glue. That's down. Okay, so there's a card. Super simple. But I want to do something different. Okay, I'm going to take the story label punch and I'm going to punch that out. And I'm hoping it's going to fit in there. See, I didn't do this in advance. And now I'm going to glue this down. It's going to go down right on top of the paper. Now I'm still trying to go quick here. Now I've lost my dimensionals. There we go. And I'm going to take that, but before I do, I'm going to take a sponge and I'm just going to sponge around the edge of my, it's not a die, that's a punch. Okay. And I'm going to put dimensionals on the back. Oh, I'm going fast. Because I know everybody likes to, and if you just offset it a tiny little bit. Okay, I'm done. Hands off the ink pads. So I am done. Now, some of you will say, but there's no bling on there. Well, it doesn't have to have bling. Do you agree that it is a perfectly presentable card without any bling? Let me just make you happy, though. Let's stick one little piece of bling on there, and maybe I'll put it right on the pumpkin. Okay, there we go. So how long was that? Not with the bling, but before the bling. Was it quick? Because I just want you to know that when your husband, because it's mostly ladies on here, when your husband is waiting in the car and you forgot to make a thank you card for your hostess and you're going for a meal, COVID style, that you do have the opportunity to rush downstairs and make a card. Okay, so that's what you want to do. So 1 minute, 30 seconds. Marilyn, is that all? Yay, that was pretty good, wasn't it?